Hi, and welcome to another video by Get It Done Home Repairs. Today I'm going to show you how to install a hinge door stopper so it doesn't actually open up and wind up hitting into something. Now these are fairly easy to install. All you have to do pretty much is take that little hinge right there, pop it up the pin, and you slide this on, and then you would adjust it accordingly as you wanted it to open. The problem is that sometimes you can't get in here with a screwdriver and a hammer to take this hinge pin out, because you'll get in here with this and you'll try to get underneath it and there's nothing to grip it. A very easy thing to do is just to grab yourself a fairly thick nail. If you don't have a nail, a screw. If you have a center punch, you can use a center punch, whatever you have. But we're going to use a nail and we're going to use a hammer and we're going to tap that pin up so we can slide this on. So let's do that. You go in through the bottom right up underneath here. There's a little tiny opening on the bottom here. You take it, you just tap it. And then once you get the hinge to move up, the hinge pin to move up just a little bit, you can come in with your screwdriver and you can push it up and pull it out just like that. Then you would take your door stop, put it up on the top right here, decide which way you want the adjustment to be, whether you want the adjustment to be on this side or if you want the adjustment to be on this side here. And then we take our pin, put it back through here, just like this, and push it down, just like that. And then we take our hammer, tap it down, just like this, and now we can adjust this to either open or close or keep the door from opening up too far. But that's it. So if you can't get it out with a regular screwdriver and a hammer, just put a nail on the bottom or a center punch or anything like that, and you can get it out that way. All right, as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.